So I had noticed a strange odour coming from the basement and did definitely have some humidity problems. So wanted to get that investigated. I was a new homeowner and naturally cautious about problems in my house. So I first of all reached out to a company that was in basement waterproofing and asked them to come out and maybe provide me with some information and a price. It was a very, very negative experience. They basically frightened me to death, made me think that I probably had mold in my basement, that it was a major problem. They provided me with a price to basically put in a French drain. I already had a French drain. I told them I needed to think about it because it was a considerable amount of money. A few days later, the owner of the company came to my house and the price basically doubled, and that was when I kind of realised that it was probably a bit of a scam and probably not the avenue that I wanted to go down. So after the really negative experience with the previous company, I did some other investigations, went back to Google, started looking into mould remediation companies, found MSI, saw that they had all 5-star reviews, were really highly ranked. So I reached out to the company on Sunday evening. Joe called me back first thing on Monday morning and offered to come out the same week to do some mold testing and inspection in my basement. It was a really, really positive experience when MSI came out. Joe was very thorough, he explained everything really well. He took a very down-to-earth approach, didn't try and frighten me. Also kind of didn't try and sell me unnecessary services, which I really, really appreciated being a new homeowner. So the testing all came back that I didn't have mold, but Joe did definitely identify that I did have some humidity problems in my basement, and recommended that I purchase a dehumidifier, which I did. I purchased one of their Santa Fe models, which I was really, really happy with. And within a few days, the odour that I was concerned about had gone, and I was definitely noticing much less humidity in the house. I would wholeheartedly recommend MSI, and I have recommended them to several people on Facebook groups, etc. I had a really, really positive experience, and from my point of view, it's really appreciated to have someone come out to your house and not try and kind of sell you unnecessary services, and really just give you a really honest answer about what the problems are that you're experiencing.